Goeiedag, good day. Dit is Juffrou Dinah hierso. En vandag gaan ons fokus op selfstandige naamwoorde en byvoeglike naamwoorde. Today we are going to focus on nouns and adjectives. First off, let's start with what is a noun? Wat is 'n selfstandige naamwoord? 'n Selfstandige naamwoord is 'n persoon, plek of 'n ding. A noun is a place, person or thing. The way I remember a noun is, can I feel it, can I touch it, can I see it, can I smell it, using all of our 5 senses. 'n Manier hoe ek 'n selfstandige naamwoord onthou, kan ek aan dit raak, kan ek dit ruik, kan ek dit sien, kan ek aan dit vat. Then let's move over to adjectives. An adjective is something that describes the noun, like beautiful, tall, short, hard, soft. Nou, 'n byvoeglike naamwoord beskryf 'n selfstandige naamwoord. Mooi, lank, kort, hard, sag. In class, I always tell this joke about if we look at the old lady crossing the road, how we're going to describe this situation. She's walking slowly, she has grey hair, she has a pink dress, and she looks beautiful today. That's how I always explain an adjective. Nou wanneer ek dink aan 'n byvoeglike naamwoord is wanneer ek hierdie prentjie in my kop skep van hierdie ou tannie wat oorkant die pad loop, dat sy stadig loop, dat sy 'n pink rok aan het en haar hare is grys. All of those words describe a noun. Nou, kom ons kyk na ons woorde. Let's look at our words. First, we're going to practice them together, and then after that, you can get a paper and practice it, writing it down. Meisie, girl. Seun, boy. Man, man. Vrou, woman. Tafel, table. Stoel, chair. Mooi, pretty. Lelik, ugly. Lank, tall. Okay, now grab a piece of paper and let's practice writing them down. Are you ready? Okay. Meisie, seun, man, vrou, tafel, stoel, mooi, lelik, lank. Thank you so much. Baie dankie. Feel free to play this video over as much times until you are comfortable. and practicing the words. Have a lovely day. Jy moet 'n lekker dag hê. Totsiens.